valedictory and ask the guidance of our Almighty Father to be led by Teacher Tricia Kamituan, followed by the singing of national. Once again, welcome to our second quarter Merit Assembly. Let's all make this a day memorable one. At this point, I have the honor of introducing someone who was
on behalf of the Board of Trustees of Bright Life, nais ko pong ipabot po ang pagbati sa inyo pong lahat. Hindi ko muna kayo babatiin po ng Merry Christmas dahil po next week, i-celebrate po natin ang ating pong ang Christmas ng taon na to sa magitan po ng ating Christmas party at Family Day next week. Okay, sa lahat po ng mga
2024. Next, Brianna Tina G. Lalik, Kinder Body Award.
I don't know if you want to do my video. Huh? Yeah, I'll do everything. Oh, this is a bad. Okay, yeah, I'll send it back.
Let's give them a round of applause.